Better, thank you. Doing fine.
What are you eating?
Yeah. I'm watching the little one tear through the house. He's redecorating your house.
Yeah. Putting all everything in a mystic place.
Put it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Brandon.
I would like to go to the Philippines.
Yeah. Always go to the Philippines.
I wish I had the money. I want to go now, but I don't have the money.
Yeah, Jerry went to Berkeley.
Yeah, no. I left him a letter. It's about 1:45.
Yeah, they are not yet here. Jack and Alice. Abraham Gina 396.
I'm gonna send it to Michigan.
Filipino?
So they can say Brandon.
Nasa Iran, sa Iraq.
There's Brandon.
Lalaki, mga babae.
Bahay, lalaki, sama-sama. Pinakita kayo lang interview.
Brandon. Kiki.
Dulas ka, lagi ng kumot pa sa itaas ng kukuha ng building. Doon daw sila pinadala. Kung makakarating ka na ng Baghdad, doon sa kami ng para doon sa Limitaw, o kaya doon sa Jordan, doon naglalating ng aeroplano. Kita mo kayo na yung mga bus. Nagpila-pila kanya-kanyang pangalan.
Hey, Brandon. What you fixing? What you fixing now? Yeah, you're going to have to put rubber around the edge of that.
The story from Zainab Badal on Thursday Day. Joined 80 women wear a variety of cloths on friendly knit together. Enough food in the morning.
Hey you, put that kiss right here. I'm going to serve the palm roll as the same pate I had left over from Phyllis. Imagine if they ever found out. But thanks to my Ziploc storage bag.
Yes, what's that?
They'll never know.
Put your trust in a Ziploc bag. Get your free Baseball in the 80s video with 25 issues of the sporting
I know how to
and
find
famous
everything.
$9.96. Save 46% off the cover price. Call now 1-800-257-1257. That's 1-800-257-1257.
Tonight, Robert McNamara, Warhawk, turned up.
Yeah, it didn't
tells
rain
why
here
the
last
Persian
night.
Gulf will not be the next Vietnam. Meet the former Secretary of Defense with
Rained
local
a lot.
calls tonight on Larry King Live 9 Eastern on CNN.
Here, there's no rain.
Is Saudi Arabia canning a ban on beer? Until now, Saudi Arabia has strictly forbidden importing and drinking of alcohol, but a Jordanian brewery says has about 33 cans of beer for each one. Soldiers aren't the only ones trooping to the Gulf. The press is out in full force. CNN's Christiane Amanpour has more on the needed.
Logistical nightmare.
Go on.
To avoid one another. Just trying to get a clear view of a tank rumbling by.
Show me your watermelon. Shh, Brandon. Oh, he's eating watermelon. Slower.
Kelly, stay away from the sun. It's too hot.
Hmm.
You put it in bed.
He's a pig. You're a pig, Brandon. Look.
Tapos na na.
There.
Doon sa Mega, murang-mura rin.
Mega man.
Look at this mouth.
No, you fed your cat. I did not. I tried. Oh, just eat it like this. Kelly. Too hard-headed.
Hi.
no?
Oh, I love that. Oh.
Where you going, Brandon?
Saan siya natulog ulit, si Romy?
Feel that?
Coming back. Here I come.
Punta.